In 2024, the average American household is paying $237 per month for subscriptions they barely use. That is $2,844 per year, disappearing into services most people forgot they even signed up for. But here is what nobody is telling you. This is not an accident. This is not about convenience. This is a precision engineered financial trap designed to extract money from your account so quietly you never feel the sting of a single payment. And it is working better than any system that came before it. Let me show you exactly how this works. You sign up for a free trial. Maybe it is a streaming service, a fitness app, or a meal kit delivery. The first month costs nothing. You enter your card details. You forget about it. Then 30 days later, $14.99 leaves your account. You notice it on your statement, but you think, I will cancel it next month. You never do. 6 months later, that subscription is still running. You are not using the service. You are not getting value. But the money keeps leaving. And this is not happening with one subscription. This is happening with 5, 8, sometimes 12 subscriptions at the same time. Streaming platforms, cloud storage, software you downloaded once, memberships you signed up for during a promotion. Every single one of them quietly pulling $10, $15, $30 from your account every month. The average person underestimates how much they spend on subscriptions by 42%. They think they are spending $80 per month. The real number is closer to $200. That gap, that difference between what you think you are spending and what is actually leaving your account, that is where the system makes its money. And it is not just about forgetting. The entire subscription model is built around psychological friction. Signing up takes 60 seconds. Canceling takes 4 to 7 minutes of navigating through account settings, confirmation emails, retention offers, and exit surveys. The companies know this. They studied it. They optimized it. They make it just difficult enough that you decide it is easier to let the charge continue than to spend 10 minutes canceling. This is called dark pattern design, and it is everywhere. But the real trap is not the individual subscriptions. The real trap is how invisible they become once they start. A 15-monthly charge does not feel like $180 per year. It does not feel like $900 over 5 years. It feels like nothing. And that is exactly the point. Small recurring payments bypass your financial awareness. Your brain does not register them as significant expenses. You would never walk into a store and spend $2,844 in one transaction on services you do not use. But spread across 12 months in tiny automatic withdrawals, you do not even notice. This is silent extraction at scale. Now, here's where it gets worse. Subscription companies are not trying to deliver value anymore. They are trying to deliver just enough value that you do not cancel. The goal is not to make you love the service. The goal is to make you indifferent, because indifference keeps you subscribed. Love might make you engage. Hate might make you cancel. But indifference keeps the payment running forever. And the numbers prove it. The average subscription service loses 68% of its active users within the first 90 days. But only 32% of those users actually cancel. The rest keep paying. They are called zombie subscribers, people who are not using the service but have not taken the step to cancel. Industry estimates suggest that zombie subscribers represent $18 billion per year in pure profit for subscription companies. That is $18 billion being paid for services nobody is using, and the companies are counting on it. Internal documents from major subscription platforms show that retention teams are trained to extend the cancellation process, offer discounts at the last second, and guilt users into staying. The longer they keep you in the funnel, the higher the chance you give up and stay subscribed. This is not customer service. This is financial extraction disguised as convenience. But there is one more layer to this: subscription creep. This is when the monthly price slowly increases over time. You signed up at $9.99 per month. 2 years later, it is $14.99. Then $17.99. The increases are small enough that you do not react. You do not cancel over a $2 increase. But over 5 years, that subscription has doubled in price, and you never consciously agreed to it. You just kept paying. And because the charges are automatic, you never reevaluate whether the service is still worth it. The system relies on your inertia. It relies on you being too busy, too distracted, too exhausted to audit your own spending. And for most people, it works. So what do? You audit. Right now, open your bank statement, go back 3 months, highlight every recurring charge. Write down the company name, the amount, and the last time you actually used that service. Then cancel everything you do not actively use at least twice per month. Do not rely on memory. Do not assume you will use it later. If you are not using it now, you are funding someone else's profit margin. And if a company makes it difficult to cancel, that is a red flag. Any service that makes leaving harder than joining does not respect you as a customer. They see you as a revenue source to extract from, not a person to serve. This is not about being cheap. This is about being intentional. Every dollar you spend on a subscription you do not use is a dollar that could have been invested, saved, or spent on something that actually improves your life. The subscription trap works because it is invisible. The moment you make it visible, it loses its power. This is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions.